It drives me crazy seeing people feed money into the stock market like a slot machine, totally ignoring the 22% interest credit card debt sitting right in their pocket. You're filling a bucket that has massive holes in the bottom. This 7-level pyramid is your wealth blueprint. There's a mathematically proven sequence to plug financial leaks and maximize returns. Before starting, you need 3 things: your current debts, your employer's 401k matching policy, and confirmation if your insurance is a high-deductible health plan. Systematically deploying capital in an order that eliminates interest drag and captures every tax advantage builds wealth more reliably than guessing which stock will go up next. Look at the base of our pyramid. Step 1 is establishing your emergency fund. Start by securing your first $1,000 to create a psychological safety net, then build that cash until you cover 3 months of expenses. Once that buffer is in place, step 2 is locking down the leaks. You must eliminate all high-interest debt, anything charging you more than 8% annually, before you make a single external investment. Carrying average credit card debt acts as a guaranteed negative 22% return. Paying that off gives you an immediate, risk-free 22% yield, which mathematically beats the long-term averages of the greatest investors in history. This bar chart demonstrates the debt avalanche method you'll use. Pay the minimums on smaller balances and throw every extra dollar at the debt carrying the absolute highest interest rate until it is completely gone. There is exactly one exception to the debt first rule, and it becomes step 3 on our pyramid, capturing your employer's 401k match. Here is why this skips the line. An employer match is a guaranteed 100% return the second you contribute. Contribute exactly enough to get the full match, then redirect extra cash back to destroying high-interest debt. These first 3 steps form the bedrock of your financial security. You are generating guaranteed returns without exposing yourself to any stock market risk. Now we move from defense to offense into the tax optimization zone. Step 4 is maximizing your individual retirement account, or IRA. We prioritize this over putting more into your 401k because IRAs allow you to bypass high corporate management fees in favor of low-cost index funds. This balancing scale breaks down your choice for the account type. If you are in your peak earning years right now, lean traditional to get the immediate tax deduction. If you are younger or in a lower tax bracket today, choose Roth to pay the lower tax rate now so you can withdraw the money tax-free later. Next is step 5, the health savings account. To be eligible to open an HSA, you must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan. For the right person, the HSA is the most potent investment account in America. Look at this shield. Your contributions give you a tax deduction, the invested money grows tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are completely tax-free. Because there is no time limit on when you can reimburse yourself, you can pay your current medical bills out of pocket and save your receipts. Keep the cash invested in the market, let it compound, and pull it out tax-free decades down the road. Correctly utilizing your IRA and HSA allows your money to compound for decades while preventing the IRS from taking a cut of your growth. With your IRA and HSA fully funded, Step 6 takes you back to your employer's 401k to max out your remaining annual contributions. Achieving this step means you are actively sheltering over $35,000 from current annual taxation, allowing it to grow entirely untouched. Finally, we reach the capstone. Step 7 is funding taxable investment accounts. This tier provides ultimate flexibility, acting as the bridge funding you need if you want to buy a house or retire early. But there is a reason this sits at the very top. Taxable accounts come with constant tax drag. Every time you earn a dividend or sell for a gain, the government takes a cut out of your momentum. This chart exposes what that drag costs over 30 years. $10,000 invested annually at 7% reaches $944,000 in a tax-advantaged account. But subject that same money to annual taxes, you finish near $700,000. That nearly $250,000 gap proves the point. Taxable accounts are a luxury tool. They should only be heavily funded after the 6 tax-sheltered buckets beneath them are filled to the brim. The average American saves just 6% of their income, which often isn't enough to max out a 401k match or an IRA. By reaching the upper tiers of this pyramid, you have surpassed the savings habits of nearly 95% of the country. If this list feels overwhelming right now, let it go. Figure out exactly which single rung of the pyramid you are standing on today and put all of your energy into attacking just that specific step. Financial independence is the result of executing these foundational steps in this exact order, rather than gambling on the right ticker symbol.